So as for the background of this Zolbetuximab study, so claudin 18.2 is a splice variant 2 protein. It's a tight junction protein that is normally expressed and exclusively on the normal gastric epithelial cells. But in the transformed cells of some cancers, especially in the pancreas, it overexpresses and it becomes a target of interest. So claudin 18.2 is expressed about 50 to 65% of primary pancreas cancer, especially in adenocarcinoma, and has also been observed in lymph nodes and the liver metastases. So zolbetuximab is an anti-claudin 18.2 chimeric immunoglobulin IgG1 monoclonal antibody that mediates the tumor cell death through antibody-dependent cytotoxicity and complement-dependent cytotoxicity. So the background is that in claudin 18.2 positive gastric and gastroesophageal junction adenocarcinoma, zolbetuximab has demonstrated anti-tumor activity and was generally well tolerated as a single agent in combination with the chemotherapy. There are two phase 2 zolbetuximab trials called the Spotlight, which included the design to test the modified FOLFOX6 plus minus zolbetuximab, which included over 565 patients, and a GLOW trial that tested KPOX plus minus zolbetuximab in 507 patients. So both met the primary endpoint and the progression-free survival, as well as their secondary endpoint of overall survival. And they had clinically and statistically significant benefit with the zolbetuximab arm in both progression-free survival and overall survival. So, as this was ongoing, the preclinical studies demonstrated also that single-agent zolbetuximab slowed the growth of claudin 18.2 positive pancreatic cancer, and that the zolbetuximab plus gemcitabine had actually better and superior anti-tumor activity compared to the gemcitabine alone in pancreas cancer cell line. So pharmacology studies demonstrated that certain cytotoxic drugs increase the claudin 18.2 expression in human cancer cells and enhance the antibody-dependent cellular cytotoxicity, which is the major mechanism of action for zolbetuximab. So collectively, these really supported the investigation for the combination of zolbetuximab plus gemcitabine and Abraxane in pancreas cancer. So the study is called Glean. It has a nice theme names of associated with the light. This study, this poster was a trial in progress, and there's a little update. So phase 2, this is a phase 2 open label randomized trial, which evaluated the efficacy and safety of zolbetuximab plus gemcitabine nab-paclitaxel, where gemcitabine nab-paclitaxel itself is a randomized trial in patients with histologically confirmed claudin 18.2 positive and claudin 18.2 high. So the staining should be over 75% of the tumor cells. The study was planned to enroll approximately 369 patients across 140 sites in 13 countries. This has been conducted, and the updated part was that a total of 2,547 patients with metastatic pancreas cancer have been screened under this study, and of 2,113 patients with a valid claudin 18.2 immunohistochemistry results, 27.7% had claudin 18.2 positive tumors. There were screen failures due to other reasons or reported for 624 patients. As of April of 2024, 396 patients were enrolled, and the data for maturation for overall survival is still ongoing. So this was update. So stay tuned for the next update, and thank you very much for your time.